I want to show you a nice tip on how you can remove the arils from your pomegranate. So let's get started. You're going to take a very sharp paring knife and you're going to just carefully, over a bowl of water, filled about halfway, and you want to just carefully release the top half. Ta-da! The reason I have it over the water is so I can capture any of the goodies in there. Inside of this beautiful organic pomegranate, you're going to see the edges of each of the segments. And you're just going to trace your knife down the sides of each, not all the way down because you want it to stay attached at the bottom. And I'm going to show you why in a moment. There we go. So you just basically want to break through the skin. Nice, even turning of your hand to kind of guide it. Now you see why I have the water there. Pomegranate stain, so be very careful. You can see, if you just lightly break it apart, you can remove this white membrane here. If there's any little arils that are stubborn and cling to it, you can release them into the water or save them for something else. And then you're gonna pop it upside down and you're gonna take up the back of a spoon. You can use a wooden spoon, a mixing spoon, whatever you have. And you're just going to gently tap on each one of the segments and rotate it. And just keep doing that. And you can get a little more aggressive as it comes along. And it just takes a few minutes, but you can see them dropping out. All right, let's turn it over and see how we did. We've got most of them released. And for those that are still stubborn, just turn them on over and just use your thumb and gently encourage them to join the water. Arils in the blink of an eye. After you've released most of your arils in the water, you can take this fancy little tool, which is called a spider. If you don't have a spider, you can use a slotted spoon, or you can just use your fingers and pull up all the white membrane. You don't want to eat those because those are very bitter. Then you can take your handy dandy strainer and drain them. Gorgeous, free range arils. Enjoy your pomegranates, don't be afraid.